Most people choose the wrong games on the Long Game app. They jump into the first game they see, spend their coins too quickly, and then wonder why they're not getting the best experience. Here's the truth no one tells you. The best games on Long Game aren't necessarily the flashiest ones. They're the games that match your goals, your playstyle, and how you want to use your rewards. In this video, I'll show you how to identify the best games to play on the Long Game app in 2026, what to look for before spending your coins, and the strategy smart users follow to get the most value from the platform. Let's get started. The first thing you need to know is that game availability can change over time. New games may be added, existing games may be updated, and reward structures can evolve. That's why the smartest approach is learning how to evaluate games instead of focusing on only one specific title. This is where most people fail. They choose games based solely on appearance. Instead, look at three factors. How many coins are required to play? What rewards or outcomes are available? And how often you can participate. These three factors can help you make better decisions immediately. Now here's where it gets interesting. Many experienced users prefer games that allow frequent participation rather than waiting for a single large opportunity. Smaller, consistent opportunities often keep users engaged and help them learn how the platform works. For example, Jake saves his coins and carefully evaluates every game before participating. John spends coins randomly without checking requirements. Over time, Jake develops a much better understanding of which games fit his preferences. That knowledge becomes a huge advantage. But here's the problem. Many users focus only on potential rewards and completely ignore enjoyment. Remember, Long Game is designed to be an engaging experience. If you don't enjoy the game you're playing, you're less likely to stay consistent with the app. In a minute, I'll show you the easiest way to find your personal best game. Before that, make sure you read the rules and instructions for every game. Understanding how a game works before participating can prevent mistakes and improve your overall experience. Now, here's the easiest method. Try several available games with a small portion of your coin balance first. This gives you hands-on experience without committing all your resources. After testing different options, you'll quickly discover which games are the most enjoyable and rewarding for you. Let's recap. Don't choose games based only on appearance. Compare coin requirements and participation options. Learn the rules before playing. Focus on both enjoyment and value. And test multiple games before committing most of your coins. Follow these tips, and you will have a much better Long Game experience in 2026. If this guide helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more app tutorials and reward platform tips, and comment below with your favorite Long Game game. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.